Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use every single AI model that ever exists absolutely for free forever with LM Arena. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you read the title correctly. Every single AI model for free forever. So this is LM Arena, and LM Arena basically allows you to compare language models. So you can see there are all of the big logos up over here, and there's a few ways to do this. Now up on the top left hand side, there's a battle button over here. If you click on this, this is in battle mode. So this will allow you to add in a prompt over here and then battle with two anonymous models. This means that if you put in a prompt over here, for example, write me a short video script for the following title, how to use LM Arena for total beginners, make it a short 2 to 3 minute script and give me a word count and a timestamp at the end. This will literally just give you two outputs and you won't know who created them. If you want to know who created them, you can go ahead and use these side by side, and here you can go down and you can choose who you want to actually use. Okay, so whoever it is that you'd like to use, you can go ahead and choose your model. So let's just choose Gemini 3 Pro for this one, and here we are going to have a look for not Perplexity, we're going GPT-5 chat. All right, so these are the two models that we are going to have generate our response, and quite simply now we can just go ahead and click on send. Slowly but surely you can see GPT-5 has started generating and it's almost finished, and Gemini 3 Pro is actually not even started, and this is not because one generates before the other. They're actually supposed to be generating simultaneously, but you can see that GPT-5 actually is finished. On the left hand side, Gemini 3 Pro is still busy. They've just finished. And you can see that they've now both given me a word count, an estimated duration, and you can actually go through this and read it to see how good it actually is. Once you've sort of decided which one is better, you can actually go to the bottom over here and you can either choose left is better, which will be Gemini 3 Pro. You can also choose right is better. You can say both of them are bad, or it's a tie, which means both of them are good within the same amount. So I'm going to just say right is better, and this basically gives the model a vote on LM Arena. On the left hand side, you can see if you click on this LM Arena over here, you can actually check out how LM Arena actually works, more about them, and there's a help center option as well. You can go and click on the leaderboard over here, and if you click on the leaderboard, it'll literally give you a leaderboard of basically everything that you need to know about each model. So if you're looking at text, so for example, which is what we just did, we have a ranking, the model, the score, their accuracy, votes, the organization that they've been created by, and also their license. And here you can basically see who is actually ranking best within each one of these categories. So for example, text, let's go and have a look at text to image. Gemini 3 Pro is actually ranking really, really high right now. You can see that just underneath that there is their Nano Banana Pro, and then also Flux, Gemini again, and these are all their different models. You can also see that you can change the overall to pre-generated prompts, also to user prompts only, to also rank them in different ways. Now, of course, you can go ahead and use this literally for as long as possible, because instead of paying them money, you're actually helping them rank better within LM Arena within the system. So go ahead and try it out, see what you can actually do with it.